A motorcycle crash in a bar parking lot. 2 suspects flee the scene. An officer closes in, and the lies are about to unravel.
Before we continue any further, is that the story you want to stick with, or you want to tell me the truth?
The truth.
You want to tell me the truth?
Truth.
Okay. What is the truth?
What? You got the wrong people. They went south.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So.
That's the truth.
Okay. So let's.
You really truly thinking I'm asking a question? They went south. It's not a question. They went south.
Where were you guys coming from?
I'm fine, actually. I mean, I literally
We came from the south. We know where these people went south. They went south. We were going north. We're going to say Austin.
Walking with a girlfriend of mine,
Saints
I
and
actually
Sinners?
fell.
Wrong people, dude.
Where is Saints and Sinners?
Ormond Beach.
Ormond Beach?
Yeah, south. US 1, 95, right there.
And if you want me to, I can call her and she'll sit there and tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Me and her both
We're
busted her
trying to
ass.
help you. They went south. We're heading north. We're in St. Augustine. I don't know where they live. Have no clue.
Sure.
Okay? I just know, like, dude, are you serious? And she was, like, showing the same thing, what happened to her on the picnic table. Okay?
Okay.
That's the end of
me
the
and
story.
her were drinking.
The end of the
I ain't gonna
story.
lie to you. And
This
we
is St.
busted our
Center's.
ass.
This is not iced.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey, St. Center's is not iced. We went
Yeah.
iced to do a wash off on her boo-boos, and that was it.
And you guys didn't fall coming out of there?
No, the other...
I probably did.
All right. Just hang on.
No, it's not a good bathroom either. I actually got it. Like, seriously, guys.
Who's that? You want to tell me the truth now?
What, because I fell in the parking
Oh,
lot?
yeah, that wasn't even
I
a
fell in
fall
the parking lot?
She was not even going to get on the bike. She's literally drunk too much. Okay, dude.
I did drink too much.
I gotta
ain't
get her
gonna lie
home.
to you. I
Please let
did.
me get her home. That's all I'm saying.
Do me a favor.
I gotta get her home.
Do me a favor.
Okay, that's all.
You step out first.
Okay. Here, I'll go speak.
Keep eye on him. First question.
Yes.
Do you want to be seen by a paramedic?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
My knees
Go hang-
hurt
go
because
hang
I
out-
busted
go
my
hang out-
ass on my knees.
Go hang out over there with Officer Schlobohm. You can step off. Sir, you can step off.
Me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. Really?
Oh, yeah, 224 sure.
Okay. So, we initially started this investigation because someone called for a crash that happened. Okay?
Yeah. We know. We're totally like, you know what? Hey, we told them straight out. Y'all need to chill out. They're young. They need to be doing their own little thing. The girl was like, say, oh, fine, I'm fine.
Who said
I know
that?
this.
Who said that?
Y'all, when they showed up with the paramedics, I'm like, look, it's not us. You're doing the wrong people.
So that picture of you standing over your wife over here was not you guys.
Yeah, but that's not the point. The point is she was already laying down, dude.
How did she fall down?
No, she didn't fall down. She lay down.
How
That's
did
the
she lay
difference.
down?
Huh?
How did she lay down?
What do you mean?
So I got two different.
She lay down.
I got two different accounts from the witnesses there about your guys falling down. Okay?
Oh, because I told her to mind her own business because we're getting all over the little people.
Wasn't the only person. So
let's. What you're saying, dude.
Stop
I'm saying
with
what
the-
happened is
stop
they're
with
being
the
mean
line.
to those people.
Stop with the line. Okay.
What?
They saw you go out, and then my partner over here caught up with you guys. Okay. So this is no longer a crash investigation. Okay.
It's not happening.
I understand. You're lying to me.
Lay down on the drive. No, sir.
You're
No,
right for
sir.
Glossy.
No, sir. No,
Okay.
that's not.
So what we're gonna do next, okay, is I'm under the suspicion, because you're the driver, not her, she's a passenger, okay? I'm under suspicion that since Officer Schlobohm over here saw you, riding your motorcycle, you were in physical possession of the motorcycle.
Trying to get us out of here and try to get the ambulance off her ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yes, we tried to get the ambulance off. We're like pointing to him to go south, the whole time.
My next step, okay, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol, okay? So right now this is a DUI investigation. This is not a crash investigation, okay? Got it? So I'm going to ask you, yes, get your hands out of your pocket, please. I'm going to ask you, if you want to,
don't do
perform
a
series of exercises to make sure that you're okay to drive away.
Yeah, I'm fine. I know I can pass that. That's fine.
Okay.
I've never done this before.
You never done it before?
No, I've never done it before. I mean, as far as I know, it's like a motor skill kind of test kind of thing.
Yeah, some exercises too.
Thank you, appreciate it.
So that, because I have some concerns that you're under the influence. If you do well, then you should be on your way. If not, then we'll go about all
Yeah,
this. Okay.
we'll do well. Don't worry, we're good.
Yeah. Do you have any leg injuries or anything like that that's going to prevent
Yes,
you?
I have actually knee surgery. Probably about 4 months ago, 5 months ago. No, 6 months. 6 months.
6 months ago?
6 months ago. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Were you drinking earlier?
You want me to answer a question that you're sitting there assuming already?
Yeah. So yes or no? Okay. All right. I'm going to
I
answer.
had
Okay.
a beer.
Got it.
A beer.
Got it. Can you take the glasses off so we could do a...
This is how I read. This is how I see.
You're not reading.
I'm just letting you know. If you wanted me to see something, I got to have these on.
Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm just trying to help you out.
I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. So, just no toy off. Let's just start. So we're going to do the horizontal gaze and nystagmus first, okay? I'll explain to you what it is.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? It's going to be for your eyes.
Okay.
So I'm going to check your eyes. You've already moved your sunglasses, or I'm sorry, your glasses. You're going to keep your head still and follow the stimulus with your eyes only.
What's the stimulus?
It's got to be my finger.
Thank you.
Okay.
Got it.
Do not move your head. Do you understand these instructions?
Do not move my head. Follow your stimulus, which would be your finger. Yes, I do understand your stimulus.
Only with your eyes. Okay?
Got it.
Okay. Right.
Are you serious? Okay, I got it. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, I know it's serious. I stopped.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Now I'm going to do a horizontal one. Same thing. I'm just going to go up and down.
Okay, yes, sir.
Follow
I've never
tip.
done this test, so I'm being silly. I don't mean to be silly. I'm a funny guy normally.
Okay. Just follow the tip, okay?
Yes, sir. Allow the blink in the middle of this.
Yeah. You
Thank
can
you.
blink.
My eyes get right.
Yeah, you can blink. One more time, okay?
Okay.
So next, I'm going to explain to you the walk and turn instructions. Okay?
Oh, we're doing walk and turn. Okay. Yes, sir.
So, we're going to use this line, okay?
I've done this before. We actually want to be accused of something.
Okay. So I'm going to explain to you how it goes, okay?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
So you just watch me and then you'll do it when I say begin, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to put your left foot on the line right here.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. Just,
Oh, I'm just trying to get close to so I can hear you. Actually, I'm kind of like halfway deaf.
A little deaf?
This right side, my left side, so I have equilibrium problems.
Okay,
at
I'm
the same
going.
time.
You have equilibrium problems? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm going to.
I drive for a living, just letting you know. I have a Class A CDL license.
Okay. Well, I'm going to
Yes, sir.
speak louder so you can hear me. Okay.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Put your left foot on the line and put your right foot in front of it with your right heel touching your left toe. Okay. So you'll do it when I explain to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front of your right heel, touching your toe just like this. Keep your hands at your side, like this, okay? Do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand these instructions?
That's agility. I can't do that. I told you I got
Okay.
equilibrium already.
Do not start until I tell you to, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm just
I'll try my
explaining to you.
best. It's all good.
That's all we
All right,
ask.
thank you.
That's all we ask. When I tell you to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. Turn around, keep 1 foot on the line, and return 9 heel-toe steps. I'm going to demonstrate, okay? So you can see how I'm doing, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. This, you're going to say it out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay?
Turn around, right?
Yep, I'll explain to you here in a second. On the 9th step, keep the front of the line, front foot on the line, and turn and take several small steps with the other foot. I'm going to demonstrate, okay?
I'm not going to turn on my toes.
Okay. No, I'm not. I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to do it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
Okay. While walking, watch your feet at all times. Keep your arms on your side and count steps out loud. So, you're going to do this. Just like that.
Turn around,
Okay?
baby. Okay, I got you. Yes,
But you,
sir.
series of
I
small
got it.
steps, okay?
Oh, small steps.
Just like how I did it.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. I do this.
And then you're going to go back, okay? You go 1,
They're fixing, yeah.
2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like so, okay?
Yes, sir. Got you.
All right.
All right, you ready?
Hold on. Do you understand the instructions? I can do it again if you want.
I believe I have got it under control, yes, sir. I just let you know.
Okay.
My agility may be off my equilibrium on the turnaround part.
Sure.
Okay, just let you know.
Okay. You just
Hands
ask
side by side. Ready?
Okay.
Ready? 1,
Begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
I'm joking, dude. This is hilarious. Do y'all do this often? Really?
Yep.
Oh God, dude. I'm sorry.
Next exercise.
There's
okay?
another one?
Yep. This is the last one, okay? It's called the one-legged stand.
You really doing this?
Yeah, I am doing this. One-legged stand. You're going to stand with your heels together and your arms at your side. Just like so, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do not begin the test until I tell you to. Got it? Okay. When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg. Either leg, doesn't matter.
I can't do that.
You can't
I
do it?
just told you, my equilibrium doesn't matter, dude. I can't do that.
I mean, you just did fine right there.
That's
so-
not equilibrium. That's a straight tread. I can do one foot in front of the other all day long.
Okay.
When you do balance, I don't.
Well, I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, it's either foot, right or left, doesn't matter.
You're gonna fail me because of this right here,
You can try. Okay, that's all I ask.
dude. I'm telling you, I don't have hearing in this ear. It's very little.
I understand, but
All right, I'll try it. I'll try it.
Okay.
I'll give you. I'll give you the principle of
okay.
10 try.
When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg, either leg, approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot pointed out. Keep both legs straight and keep your eyes on the elevated foot. So I'm going to demonstrate,
Yes,
okay?
please do that. Thank you.
While holding that position, count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so forth until I tell you to stop. I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to choose my right leg for this one, okay? You can choose whichever one you want. Just like so, point it out, 6 inches. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? Either foot, doesn't matter. I'll ask you to try. Do you have a timer? Okay. When I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Together.
Yep.
Hands beside.
Okay.
One foot out.
You can begin whichever foot you want.
So you want 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 12, 13, 14, 15,
All right,
16.
you're done.
Please, thank you.
Come hang out right here real quick.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I'm doing egg roll salad.
All right. Y'all free to leave. Okay, you passed. Well, you did well in your field sobriety exercises.
it's hard.
Like I said, I'm the one that's drinking. He's
Okay.
not.
Here's the thing. Okay.
I told him I had to do it.
I recommend you be honest with us from the beginning.
We were.
No, you weren't.
No, I'm fine. No, I actually fell.
I know you
I
fell.
really did. And I fell at Saints and Sinners. You
Not
can sit
even
there
at
and
the same
pull.
place. We're
You
not
can
lying
sit
to
there
you.
and pull the video up at Saints and Center. I
Yes,
busted my ass.
That's where you want to go. So you want to go from there. This is where the story
busted my
begins.
ass.
Okay, Saint Center, 100% in the doorway. Okay,
Yeah.
as you go in, busted
Yeah,
ass.
literally busted my ass.
Not her, but her friend Melanie fell over and brought the table on, and this is where she fell on the table.
That's where I fell.
Okay.
And I don't even lie to you. I am a klutz, and I'm going to tell you that 100% because I have been drinking, and I am a natural born klutz anyway.
Stop it.
Just,
It's fine.
but I am a natural born klutz. But yes,
Look,
I am
officer,
fine. I trust.
I have a
yeah.
class
Well,
A
you're not
license.
driving, so.
No, I'm not driving, and honestly, out of everybody I've ever dated, I trust him more than anybody on the bike.
Well, moving forward, as you leave the scene, if you have been drinking,
No, I'm not driving.
No, I know you're not driving, but you need to make sure that you're holding on because the pictures don't lie.
Yeah.
You're in a position where you were on your back. Your injuries are consistent with what was reported to us, both on the helmet, your shoulder,
You should
and
see
on your
the other
arms.
girl, dude.
So you need to make sure that you're able to hold on.
No, I'm
You
fine.
got to go to St. Augustine.
Yeah. No, I'm fine.
You're driving, and
Yes,
she's
sir.
on the back.
Yes, sir. I appreciate the information. I
I'm
appreciate your
just
concern.
say
but I'm telling you
dumbass
what,
on
You're
public.
missing the girl that literally was mucked up down the road. She got
I'm good, I
She's
promise
road
you.
rash like really bad here. Not trying to tell on nobody. but
So
she's
listen,
messed up, y'all.
so like tomorrow, I already know I'm going to be hurting because I fell on both of my knees, like straight down like that, and it's going to hurt tomorrow. And I already know this because I'm like 60 years old. and shit's
We're
not-
just gonna document our incident, why we stepped out with you, okay?
That's fine.
Well, we appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah, all mine.
You need to register under the motorcycle?
Yeah, it's on the back. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I just got this thing running, to be honest with you, dude. It's been a nightmare in my truck for like a long way. We had to put a new shaft in it, had to put the bushing on the left side, and we're just out test driving it, believe it or not.
Yeah, because my son's coming down next week,
Yep, he's gonna be driving it.
and he's going to be driving because he wants to go to Bike Week with his girlfriend I don't like.
So this is, well, like Officer Schlobohm said, that's his name. If you're gonna be in the back, you gotta figure some way that she's not gonna fall off while you're driving, because she's impossible.
Oh no, she's gonna hug on my gut. I'm gonna hold her hand.
Okay?
I'm just saying, she's not going
It
anywhere.
very well may be, I'm not
still
saying
got
this because I
$10.
wasn't there, it may very well may be that it was coincidental, like she just happened to be on the ground and somebody else fell.
No, I fell. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I fell over at Saints and Sinners, and I fell over
She
here.
wasn't even
But it's
on the
my
bike.
own
She wasn't even on the
stupidity.
bike then, dude. That's what I'm
It
getting
was
at.
not his. It was my own stupidity.
I know.
I'm just letting you know.
that part.
Yeah. Because, like I said, I've been drinking and I'm not driving, so I was just like, okay.
No, we try to be.
I'm the dumbass.
responsible drivers, but I ain't gonna lie to you.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm the
Everybody.
dumbass.
He's registered on the.
Yeah.
What was your name, sir, again?
Jessie.
Okay, all right, Jesse.
Jessie.
Hold on,
Not
2
just
seconds.
you.
Did I put my...
You're free to go.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a great evening.
Jessie Dingler passed the field sobriety test, and both he and Karen Adkins were released. But the report tells a different story. Witnesses confirmed the crash, the injuries matched, and Dingler admitted to drinking. Conclusion: a crash with injuries, and charges for leaving the scene of an accident with injuries. Did they really get away with it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now, and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam, and hit the notification bell.